Um, मेरा ideal I would say is I really like Avni Lekhra. So she's a two-time Paralympic gold medalist and she trains under Suma ma'am, who is my coach as well. I have met her a few times and I really like her because her shooting is very calm and she's a very resilient person. So I would like to be like her.
गोल्ड मेडल जीता आज, बताइए कंपटीशन के बारे में। पूरी तरह से आप छा गई हैं, गोल्डन गर्ल बन गई, बताइए।
कंपटीशन बहुत अच्छा था, फाइनल्स भी बहुत अच्छे थे बिकॉज़ बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला एंड जो मैं चाहती थी कि मैं ऐसे फाइनल्स खेलूँ मैंने वैसे खेला एंड ऑब्वियसली गोल्ड पहन के इट्स अ वेरी नाइस फीलिंग एंड ग्रेटफुल टू हैव दिस मेडल।
ये आपका पहला वर्ल्ड कप था?
दूसरा वर्ल्ड कप था।
पहला वर्ल्ड कप कहाँ था?
पहला वर्ल्ड कप जर्मनी में था, सोल में।
हाँ।
इसी साल था एंड वहाँ पे मेरा सिल्वर था।
और अपने फैमिली बैकग्राउंड के बारे में कुछ बताएं।
Basically, my family is from Himachal
हाँ।
and we live in Punjab in Mohali and वहीं से मैंने shooting शुरू की and my father is a business owner and my mom is a stay-at-home mom and I have a sister as well. She's currently studying in college.
कहाँ से इंस्पिरेशन मिला शूटिंग शुरू करने का? वो इंस्पायर यू और आपने कैसे शुरू की?
हमारे स्कूल में एक शूटिंग का कैंप था, आई थिंक 1-2 वीक्स का कैंप था एंड दैट इज़ हाउ आई गॉट टू नो अबाउट शूटिंग एंड वहाँ पे आई थिंक फर्स्ट डे से ही आई न्यू कि आई वांटेड टू डू इट बिकॉज आई वाज रियली जस्ट इन लव विद द स्पोर्ट।
पहली बार आपने क्या पकड़ी, राइफल पकड़ी या पिस्टल ही पकड़ी?
सीधा राइफल पकड़ी।
अच्छा, सुबह शेड्यूल आपके कोच थे,
हाँ जी।
थोड़ा सा बताइए उनसे क्या सीखा, क्या आपको मिला?
तो Suma ma'am is my coach and she has been my coach for 2 years now and उनसे बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलता है। It is endless and जो भी technical aspects हैं, mental aspects हैं, that is all from her and without her coaching I would not be here.
आज के मैच के थोड़ा आज के मैच के बारे में बताइए, जैसे लास्ट फ्यू शॉट्स यू वर सो गुड, हाउ डिड दैट?
It happened from the first shot, even though that was not a good shot. But if I talk about how it happened, it was from that shot only. 9 था, but I got to learn from it. I got to know कि मैंने क्या गलत किया and क्या अब सही करना है. तो स्टार्टिंग के शॉट्स एंड एंड के शॉट्स में सिर्फ यही फ़र्क था कि स्टार्टिंग में आई वाज अ बिट नर्वस, फिर धीरे धीरे काम डाउन हुई, धीरे धीरे पता चला कि बाहर जा रहे थे शॉट्स तो क्यों जा रहे थे एंड उनको अंदर कैसे शूट करना है एंड प्रोसेस was getting refined the more I shot. तो starting में it was a little bit weak and then फिर मैं self talk के through and थोड़ा अपने अंदर जाकर process को better कर पाई।
What did you tell yourself while you were in the final? You said you did some self-talk.
So self talk pretty basic. I mean after a bad shot it was like it's okay. One bad shot is not gonna do anything. Or after a good shot it was like okay but keep it up and just अगर लग रहा था कि हार्ट बीट बढ़ रही है तो काम डाउन करने के लिए कि इट्स ओके, इट्स जस्ट यू ओन लेन ऑन रेस ऑन पेस। तो बस ऐसे धीरे धीरे थोड़ा
आप हिमाचल से कहाँ से पहुँचे?
हिमाचल में माई फादर इज़ फ्रॉम सोलन, माई मॉम इज़ फ्रॉम कांगड़ा।
ओके, सो यू हैव शिफ्टेड टू पंजाब?
या बिफोर आई वाज बोर्न।
अच्छा, द फैमिली
Long back.
शिफ्टेड टू, वेयर डू यू ट्रेन, कहाँ पे ट्रेनिंग करते हो? सुमा
I train in Panvel,
पनवेल, लक्ष्य।
Lakshya Shooting Club under Suma Shirur.
So how
How were you introduced to the sport? How did you choose shooting? Sorry.
So I had a camp in my school. It was a 1 or 2 week long camp, and my mom asked me if I wanted to do shooting. I wanted to try it out, and starting say I had been into sports. So I think ever since I was like 5-6, कोई ना कोई sport तो चल ही रहा था. So I was like, why not try shooting as well? So then I started shooting. I got into the camp, and then after that I realized कि this is the sport that I want to continue. So yeah.
What school are you part of?
A Learning Path School, Mohali.
And do you remember the first time when you held the shooting gun pistol? How did it feel? What were the emotions?
So first time I held a rifle, and I liked it because it was bigger, honestly. So I wanted to just try that. So that is why I picked up a rifle. And after holding it, it was uh, a little bit taller than me. So I was just doing sitting position for a little bit, and emotions were pretty much. It was different from any other sport I had ever tried because ज़्यादा physical नहीं है. It is all about mental calmness and mental focus. And I thought कि उसमें I tend to get better at.
How are
This
you
is your
otherwise?
second. Sorry.
How are you otherwise? Like the sport is very, you have to be calm and you don't talk much. But how are you otherwise? If when you're not shooting, do you talk a lot? Or do you have no friends? How is it?
I have like 2 or 3 friends, and I talk with the people that I am close to. I don't talk to everyone. I think it's everyone's personality is different. So I guess my personality is like that.
अभी आप कौन सी क्लास में पढ़
अभी 11th.
11th
How do you
Stream-
juggle between shooting and studies?
स्ट्रीम कौन सी है आपकी
अभी साइंस PCB.
पीसीबी
हाँ जी.
तो कैसे मैनेज करते हैं शूटिंग और ये पढ़ाई को
अभी आई एम स्टिल ट्राइंग टू फिगर इट आउट बिकॉज अभी जागते ही एग्ज़ाम्स हैं और पढ़ा कुछ है नहीं, तो थोड़ा दैट इज स्टिल आई एम जगलिंग इन बिटवीन
Half-yearly.
बोथ. हाफ ईयरली.
When did you exactly start shooting? Which year?
2019 I was 10 years old.
And this is your second World Cup. Please
Yes.
take us through the experience in Germany and now, how different it is, and what were your achievements there?
So my first World Cup was in Germany. That was Seoul, Germany. So I had a silver medal there. The qualification was higher. It was 633.6 or 7. Here it's 631.9. So qualification was higher. I think it was just the day that I was having. So उसका fluctuation के हिसाब से that was better. And finals was lower. I was second. So थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे था that final. And from that I tried to learn as much as I could coming matches के लिए. And that is what I tried to do here. कि जो भी सीखा था वो execute कैसे करना है. And so learning from that final in Germany, I knew कि I had to be a little more in myself and a little calmer. And also experience भी ज़्यादा था. Lima World Championship in 2024, that was my first final. And after that Germany, and after that here. So experience matters a lot. So ज़्यादा experience means better ability to handle.
There were 3 finalists here today. Indians, I'm so sorry. There are 3 podiums today, and all 3 are Indians. So did that make you feel confident when the podiums were decided, or did that make you feel more competitive that नहीं ये तो जीतना है?
I think ये सब सोचने का ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं होता लेन पर. और I didn't even think about कि इंडियंस हैं, बाहर का है कोई, क्या स्कोर है, कौन है ऊपर नीचे. आई वॉज जस्ट फोकस्ड प्रोसेस पे, अपने पे. लाइक आई सेड, ओन लेन, ओन रेस, ओन पेस. सो डजंट रियली मैटर कि बाकी कौन था.
Was this the loudest crowd you've faced?
Definitely.
And how was
Definitely
that for you?
loudest.
Because it must have been a new experience, right?
Yeah, my heartbeat was it was very high. My heart was beating out of my chest. But I tried to tell myself कि बस stay within yourself. So, but the crowd was amazing. I really liked it. It was fun.
How was the shooting?